and some lemon oil. Shake it all up, and then drink it throughout the day. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about the Loyalty Rewards Program and the doTERRA products that I buy each month. And so I kind of have my staples of items that I get, and then I kind of have some little things that I add on top to make sure that I'm, always supplied, don't run out of stuff, but also that my quality of life is not only attained, but maintained, okay? We want that high quality of life, that wellness lifestyle, and when it starts to dip, that ain't no good. Alright, so let's talk about the first thing. So the first thing I get is the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So I've been vegan since like 2014. So I get the Vegan Lifelong Vitality Pack that you can see here. So we have the VE Omega, which is omega-3s, 6s and 9s that help with brain, joint, and muscle function. So this is amazing. Alright, and then the next thing that comes with the Lifelong Vitality Pack is the Plex VMZ. This is the multivitamins that help support your cells and helps fill in the gap from what you don't get from your diet, even if you eat healthy. It's important to supplement because our soils are so depleted of nutrients because of the industrialized agricultural industry. That's right, it's a mouthful, but not full of nutrients. But this is though. Okay, here we go. We're moving on. Alright, Alpha CRS Plus, this is the next one. This is like energy in a bottle, helps with mitochondrial function, and has a lot of different ingredients in there that really just help your cells on a cellular level. Energy, right? Vibrational frequency, all that amazing stuff. Alright, so that is my staple, and what I do is I put them in here. So I got Monday through Sunday through Saturday, and then AM, PM. So I eat it with meals to help with absorption as well. And then the other supplements I put in here too, so I'm getting a nice little healthy concoction of awesome right here. And then I put this somewhere where I know I'm going to find it, which is like in my pantry, so and now I feel naked when I don't take it. Like, there's some days where I forget, but it just feels like walking out the house without a shoe now because it's so much of a habit. Alright, anyways, Terrazyme, also part of my staples here. Let's see, can you see it? Boom, there it is. So these are digestive enzymes, and these help with breaking down your food. Okay, and when you do that, that's helpful because any cooked food renders the enzymes inactive, and your body has to pull it from your pancreas and your liver and all sorts of places to try to break down your food, and it really just taxes your body. So if you can tax your body less and give it a dividend, little stock terms there, boom, that's what this does. And I do have another video on how this was breaking down some oatmeal, so you can check that out too. Alright, anyways, next is probiotics. Can you see that? Boom, it's right there. PB Assist Plus. Alright, so basically this gives you a healthy plethora of some microorganisms to help with your food down there. One of the beneficial things that comes with probiotics is that they produce B vitamins. These are like little people down there working for you, helping to, break down your food too and give you some energy and really just support a healthy microbiome, a gut flora, all those terms that have to do with digestive health. This right here, shaking it up, yeah, that helps. Alright, here we go. Next, okay, so again, I put that in here. Put that in here. Put this somewhere where I, won't miss. Some people use little bowls, right? That's cool. Bowling, right? Alright, so that's like my staple. And that almost equals like the 125 to qualify for the free product of the month with doTERRA. Almost. But when I add these next three, we not only hit the 125, but I also get my favorite oils that I use the most. And we have peppermint. Boom. I use this to like help with alertness and focus. I run out each month because I use it so much, and it's amazing. Freshens. Did I say freshens breath? It freshens breath. Sometimes my breath be hot. That cools it down. Let's just being real with you for a second. All right, Wild Orange, happiness in a bottle. Let me tell you, this is amazing to clean your hands, put on surfaces to clean, put it in a diffuser. I put it in my green smoothies. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna get some right now. Feeling happy already. All right. Okay, and then the last one is lemon. Lemon. Boom. Lemon is cleansing, detoxifying, helps support liver and kidney function. I put it in my green smoothies as well, and I also do a little thing right here. This is a little secret I'm gonna let you in on. Okay, I'm gonna come up slow with it. Ooh. Okay, there it is. Actually, that was kind of awkward, and I apologize. But anyways, I put apple cider vinegar and basically 2 drops per, or it's like 1 drop per 4 ounces. So this is like, what, like 16 ounces or something. So I put like 4 drops of lemon in here. So that way it helps with flavor, also helps with detoxification, and supports my immune system when I put the apple cider vinegar. And you want to get organic and raw apple cider vinegar and some lemon oil. Shake it all up, and then drink it throughout the day. And I know to drink like 5 of these a day because it's you want to drink half your body weight in ounces every day. So I weigh approximately 170 now, so it's half of that in ounces. So oh my gosh, the math game. Where we at? Like 85 ounces or so. So that's how much water I need to drink, which is like about 5 of these, give or take. If you work out or sweat or swim, definitely want to drink some more, because it just, and I'm a sweater. It just falling off my face and head. All right, well that's what I do each month, and I do add stuff on top of that. That's not the only stuff I get, but those things right there are the staples. Like those help my quality of life so much. And then when I'm running out of stuff, I have a little wish list. And I just kind of look at the bottles, I make little notes, and then I go into my cart on doTERRA and just kind of update everything, and that make sure again I don't run out of stuff, and make sure that not only what I did to get well, I do to stay well, so that if quality of life is up here, higher quality of life, like I'm maintaining a higher quality of life. And when I run out of stuff, or I do less self-care, or other people around me, and I'm not using oils and quality of life, you know, we don't want that. No crashing of quality of life. We want to get it up, raise it up, you know, raise the roof of your health. Okay, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out those links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on.